Hello friends, welcome to PHP tutorial. This is Subrat. In this video I will teach you how to download, install and configure Xampp for PHP 7.1.1. First step is to write the keyword Xampp in Google or simply follow the link apachefriends.org/download.html. This will redirect to us the download page of apachefriends.org containing the Xampp for Windows, Xampp for Linux, Xampp for Mac. I am interested for Xampp for Windows. Again, you can get Xampp for various versions of PHP. I want PHP 7.1.1. Thus, I will download this. I have already downloaded. My Xampp is present in my E drive. Just right click on it and run as administrator. So our first step has over and second step has over and the third step we have also completed. Now we will continue the step 4. After the installation you may find some confirmations. Don't worry about this, these are not errors. This is due to the antivirus. Click next. Let the default setting as it is. I am going to install Xampp in C drive Xampp folder. Click next. Now the Xampp is installing. This will take some time. Now it is asking for the control panel to launch the control panel. Yes. Finish. Now it is asking for the language. United States, English, United States. Let's save it. This is the Xampp control panel. You need to start the services of the various modules. Let's start Apache. Remember, this Apache is here using the port 80. Now step 5 has over, but one of the note is here that every running program is called a process and each process is having a port number. You need to ensure that each port number should be unique. Means if one process like Apache is using port number 80, then MySQL should use a different port number. If two processes like Apache and MySQL is using same port number, then you need to change the port number of any one by clicking on the config button that is present just right to start button on Xampp control panel. Here is the config button. Here Apache is using port 80. Let's click on the config button. Here you will get a listen text here. Remember, this is the port 80. You can change it to anything else. If some other process is using the port 80, then it will not going to work, so you need to change it. You need to change it to let 8080. You just save it, close it. Now see the Apache, you just need to refresh. Where is the refresh? Okay, you stop it again, you start it. See the default Apache port number is 80. You can change the port number from here. Listen text is there. You can change the port number here as well as here. Then you need to save it. I am letting the default as it is. Again, if you want to see the port configuration, you can click on the config. Here you select Apache let. What are the service port settings? This is 80 and 443 SSL port. If two process, let's start MySQL. MySQL is using port 3306. You go to config and you can find MySQL service port number. MySQL using 3306. These are by default port numbers, so let them as it is. If two process, let two process Apache and MySQL is using the same port number, let 80, then it will create confusion, so you need to change the port number of any one. Thank you for watching. You start other services as your requirement. Please subscribe to my channel if you think my videos are useful to you. Thank you for watching again.